Hi class, in this short video I want to talk about developing the strategies or the methodology for your proposal. So remember, this is one of the sections for your grant proposal that you're working on. And in short, the strategies or methods section is, I'm going to read what I have highlighted right here. The strategies component of the proposal systemically walks the prospective funder through the steps the organization proposes to carry out in order to accomplish its objectives. So this is essentially the meat of your proposal. In your proposal, you've identified a need. You've identified, your goals and objectives to meet that need. And now you are in detail explaining to the funder what it is you are proposing to do. Okay. As you read on, it talks about the content that should be included. Here you should spell out the methods to be used and give the reasons for choosing them. Okay. And then here in the chapter, it identifies a couple of things that you can consider when creating your methods or strategies section. These are some tips for writing your strategies component. So you want to make sure everything is connected and aligned. And so, if you, if you identify a problem to be, a lack of food security on campus, and so your goal and objective is to create a food pantry for students at HT. You don't want to then, in your strategies component, talk about something completely different. So here you're explaining how you will get it set up, how you plan for it to function, how students will be identified, and so on and so forth. Will there be different phases to get it fully operational? Will you have volunteers? Will there be people who are actually employed there? And so on and so forth. Okay. And this is just an example of a worksheet from the sample they provide in the text. And then here's an example for you to read. So pretty quick chapter. Read through it. Think about it as you're working on your strategies component. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon.